In this video, you'll learn how to insert the SIM card into your Pixel 5 properly. By following these steps, you will ensure that your SIM card is installed correctly for optimal performance. Begin by turning off your Pixel 5. This step is important to prevent any potential damage or issues during the SIM card installation process. Next, locate the SIM tray on the side of your phone. It is usually a small rectangular slot that is easy to identify. Prepare the SIM ejector tool, which is included with your device, to open the tray. Insert the SIM ejector tool into the small hole next to the SIM tray. Apply gentle pressure until the tray pops out slightly. This action prepares your device for the insertion of the SIM card. Take care not to use excessive force, as this may damage the mechanism. Once the tray has been ejected, you are ready to proceed to the next step. Now, take your SIM card and place it into the tray, ensuring it is oriented correctly. The gold contacts on the SIM card should face downwards, and you should align the card with the shape of the tray. It is crucial to avoid forcing the SIM card into place, as this can lead to improper connectivity. Carefully check the positioning of the SIM card before you move on to reinserting the tray. With the SIM card securely in place, slide the SIM tray back into the phone gently. Ensure it is seated properly and flush with the side of the device. After reinserting the tray, turn on your Pixel 5. Wait for a moment as the device detects the network, which may take a few seconds. Once the phone is powered on, check the signal bars at the top of the screen to confirm that the SIM card is working correctly. If you do not see signal bars, navigate to the mobile settings on your device to verify the connectivity. This step is essential to ensure your SIM card has been installed properly and that your Pixel 5 is ready for use. You can now enjoy all the features of your mobile device with the SIM card correctly inserted. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.